Hi everybody. I had a little mistake with my camera holder today. I have to buy a new one, I know. Anyway, I will show what I did while I was making the video. These are the colors that I use today. Lemon yellow, burnt sienna and Payne's gray. Today I'm making the sunlight. For that I have used a sticker to put on the area where the sun is, up here. That's because I don't want any pigments to flow in on that spot. I want some more colors, so I can show you from the beginning. I wet the surface all the way down to the horizon. Okay. So this brush is nice. It gets it's like they have made it with some kind of thread here. It's not glued, so this brush will last for a long time, I think. The glued ones, I'm not a friend of them. Most are glued, so I have to use it. Okay, it's been sitting a little while. I take some lemon yellow and I put it around the closest to the sun. Leave some area without pigment, it will flow, so it gets an irregular shape. I don't want a sharp edge around the sun, it's not natural. And then I take some burnt sienna outside of this bigger circle. I will also tell you what I have done since the last time I saw you. Okay. Soft outer edge. A little bit more there. Burnt sienna makes it the light a bit warmer. And down here, the horizon. I don't want an empty spot there. Okay. Now I'm going to dry this without moving the camera. So, okay, I will tell you what I did on my own last night. I took off the masking medium and I painted with the same color as here. Payne's gray and some violet. I painted a little bit between at the edges so I don't get just the white paper and the yellow. I don't want a straight line here. I want it to be softer. And I worked some more with the stones. I put in some smaller stones and worked a bit with the shapes. I'm going to show you something else I did. I used this. It's a sponge, miracle sponge. It's called here. I don't know what you call it in other countries, but here in Sweden they call it miracle swamp. Miracle. I wet it with water. Take the excess moist out and just scrub it like this. You see? It's very easy to lift the pigments. Just want some of the light from the sun to hit the stones at some spot. Gets very soft, no hard edges. Look. Okay, you work with these things, and we see each other in the next video. Okay, bye bye.